Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can make Wi-Fi connection in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the notification area and here you will see Wi-Fi. Okay, just click on this icon and Wi-Fi will be turned on. And to see the signal, just long press it or wait. Okay, it will show the available network. Yes, here available networks are showing Tasia or Sohan. So if you want to connect to any of these, just click that, and if it is password protected, you have to give the password to connect to the Wi-Fi. I click on Tasia and it is asking for password. So the Wi-Fi provider has already secured with password. If you know only password, then you can connect. Okay, if it's your Wi-Fi, you can surely connect. If it's other person Wi-Fi, then you have to ask the password for in the other password to the other person to connect. Okay, otherwise you cannot. So here I just this is my own Wi-Fi and I type my password. And click on connect. It will be connected to Wi-Fi. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it has been connected. You can see the incoming connection here. If it's showing the here that Wi-Fi name, that is here, you can understand. Here read Tasia is showing. Okay, so it is connected. Okay, if you long press it, also you can see that Wi-Fi is connected and other signals are available below that. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect to any Wi-Fi in your phone. If your Wi-Fi has internet connection, then yes, you can access internet. You will check it now. Yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily make Wi-Fi connection and verify that Wi-Fi connection is properly connected or not. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.